how you can learn sewing machine repair from the comfort of your own home. Sewing machines are complicated, but once you learn how they work and go through the in-depth trainings that we provide, you'll have confidence to do your own sewing machine repair, service, and maintenance. You'll also have the confidence to help others so that you can learn sewing machine repair for fun or for profit. Our comprehensive training programs include training for basic sewing machines, electronic sewing machines, computerized sewing machines, antique sewing machines, sergers, embroidery machines, and much more.